Happy Monday, it's me, Sabrina. My channel is The Hopeful Minimalist. It's a safe space for handbag admiration, and we also admire other things, sometimes like jewelry and shoes, and we might be admiring one of those things today. Please subscribe if you have not already and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. I do have two small unboxings to share with you today. The first one is going to be from SHESAIDYES. SHESAIDYES is a jewelry company that I have featured on my channel one time before. And then the second item is going to be a small unboxing from Coach. So I hope that you stay tuned for both. I can't believe it's already February, but that does mean that Valentine's Day is upon us. So the first item that I want to unbox with you is a piece of jewelry from SHESAIDYES. I have featured them one time before on my channel, like I mentioned, and that first time I showed you this beautiful white gold ring that they sent me, and it had the beautiful infinity band on it. Well, since I got that ring, I kind of became hooked on rose gold, and you might have noticed this in my recent videos. I've been wearing rose gold jewelry. So when SHESAIDYES reached out to me this time, I knew I had to get something that was rose gold. After I customized and kind of designed this piece on the website, I went back and placed an order for matching earrings. So while this was generously gifted to me from SHESAIDYES, I have purchased earrings and they are en route to me. I wanted to show them to you today, but they won't be here for another couple of days, and I wanted to go ahead and show you this item so that in case you're looking for some ideas for Valentine's Day gifts, you'll have at least one good one in mind. Before I share with you the piece of jewelry, I want to share a couple of things I really like about SHESAIDYES. The first thing is that this company allows you to truly customize your piece. And what I mean by that is this. I'm going to share the screen with you for the process that I went through to get this piece. So I went to their website, and you go to jewelry, and I wanted a necklace. So I went to necklaces, and I scrolled for a bit, and I saw a design that I really liked, but I didn't really like the color gold. I didn't really like the color stone. So because of my previous experience with SHESAIDYES, I knew that I'd be able to customize this piece that otherwise I would never go for. Like, I don't like yellow gold. I take that back. I do like yellow gold. I don't prefer yellow gold. However, when it comes to jewelry, I prefer white gold, but lately I have been stuck on rose gold. So I knew that I could select to change the metal. So you go to their website, it's super user-friendly, and metal is the first section for you to make your selection. So I clicked on 10 karat rose gold because I love the design of this necklace, but I don't want it to be in the yellow gold. The next selection you can make is to change the color of your stone. You can choose Moissanite if you'd like to upgrade your stone, but I knew that the chocolate would pop against the rose gold, so I chose chocolate. And then since there's one other stone in this necklace, you can also customize that if you'd like. I chose to leave that one as it already was, which was with the white gemstone. The last selection that you can make is for the size, and you have a selection of child, young adult, adult, or you can choose to make the chain longer. So I'm an adult, so I chose the adult size, which is 45 centimeters, and add to cart. And that is the process. It's super easy, super intuitive, and like I said, the ability to customize is what I really appreciate about SHESAIDYES, because you can go from seeing something that you'd never go for to making it something that you absolutely love. So let's get into the unboxing, and then I will share the other thing that I really love about SHESAIDYES. So it comes in this beautiful box that has SHESAIDYES jewelry on the front. When you open it, what you're going to see is a care card. And this covers Moissanite jewelry, gold jewelry, and then just general jewelry. It tells you what to do, what not to do, how to keep it safe, what you should keep off of it, like lotion, sunscreen, perfume, things like that. There's also a card that says, "Best wishes to you, customize what you love, And on the other side, it says to, and you could just write the name of your recipient here. The inside of the gift box looks like this. It's this beautiful, cushiony, just a really elegant presentation. Here you have a She Said Yes gift bag, and then of course this is the jewelry case. I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you, and then I'll get back to, you know, that other thing that I appreciate about She Said Yes. So let me make sure it's all centered and beautiful. So this is the piece that I got from She Said Yes. The name of this piece is the Magic in Your Eyes Pear Cut Necklace. And as we discussed, it's in the 10-karat rose gold with a chocolate gemstone and a white gemstone. And it's gorgeous. I cannot wait to get my earrings that match. Of course, it's a very nice gift box. And when you receive your gift, like if it's a gift for someone and you'll be giving it to them, what you can do is remove it from the plastic baggies that it will arrive in, and you can place it very neatly into the gift box. This is how it looks up against my skin. You can see that chocolate gemstone at the bottom of the pendant and then the white gemstone at the top. The chain is very dainty, very delicate, and very soft. Soft is the best way I can describe it. Soft and smooth. This one's very soft and very dainty, but it's not so dainty that I would be afraid to break it, which I have done before. It has 2 adjustments on the chain, so you can see those 2 small circles. So you can make it a little shorter or a little longer. Let me put it on so you can see how it looks on. All right, now here is a close-up of how it looks on me, and I put it on the shortest setting, so I could make it a little bit longer if I desired, but I like it right here. You all let me know what you think. I love it. I think it's really, really beautiful and so me. I love it. It feels great, and the ring that I received before, I didn't have any issues with as far as it irritating my skin. I have very, very sensitive skin. I'm allergic to nickel, and the ring has given me no problems, so I expect the same from this beautiful necklace. The other thing I wanted to say I really appreciate about She Said Yes is that everything you need to present this as a beautiful gift is in this box. So if you're that person that is going to a birthday party and you have to run and like buy the gift and then buy a gift bag and the tissue, and you're like putting everything together in the car before you walk in the party, this will be very helpful for you, because within this box you have the jewelry box, of course. You have a bag which can be your gift bag, and that is the purpose of this bag. It's a gift bag. You have a beautiful ribbon inside for tying it around this box. And I'm not even done yet. And you have this card. So this says best wishes to you, customize what you love, but it also has 2 on the back. You could write your recipient's name on the back of this card. Now, if this is a Valentine's Day gift, I would highly suggest that you get a Valentine's Day card, okay? Don't let this be your only card, but this can definitely hold you over until you get that real Valentine's card. So yeah, they have you fully prepared to hand this gift off and beautifully present it to a person. So I really do appreciate that. I like for things to be easy. One-stop shop. Help me as much as you can. I am that customer that likes conveniences. So I really appreciate that from She Said Yes. Now, one of the mottos or mantras that She Said Yes has right now is that flowers wilt and chocolates melt, but she said jewelry lasts forever. So let's put it to the test. I will come back and give you a full review on this piece, as well as the ring that I got and the earrings when I finally get those. But in the meantime, if you're looking for a Valentine's Day gift, feel free to use my code Sabrina15 to get 15% off of your purchase. Also, when you go to their website, make sure that you look at all of the different offers that they have available right now. Check them out. I think their quality is amazing and they make things easy for you. What more could you ask for? So thank you, She Said Yes, for another opportunity to share your beautiful jewelry with the world. Go check them out. Gosh, I cannot wait for the earrings to get here. Okay, now to the bag related portion of the video. I do have a bag of the day to share. This is the beautiful Coach Dreamer, and I think this is in the size 20, and it's in the color anthracite. I shared this bag with you a few months ago, and I talked about how the bag gave me a little happy feeling. I had a stressful day at work that day, and this was just like, I think I said happiness in my pocket or something like that. But anyway, this bag just, it gives happiness, it gives light, and I love that about this bag. I have a quick little story to share with you. I was watching a video the other day from Diva Lux. I will link the video below in her channel, and I really enjoy her unboxings. She loves Coach. She always has something beautiful from Coach to share. And she was showing her Coach Quilted Tabby 20 in this anthracite color. And when I see shiny things, I get very distracted. And I know many of us struggle with that, so I'm being fully transparent. I know that you're listening and not judging, because that's what we do. That's what we do on this channel and in this community. We listen and we don't judge. So I'm watching her video showing this tabby, and then I think I moved to another one of her videos, and she had gotten the Lunar New Year tabby, and it was like in a similar style to this anthracite, but imagine gold instead of like silver metallic. Y'all, I was so captivated by those bags. I went straight over to Amazon, and they had the wristlet in anthracite on sale, and they also had the Tabby 20 on sale. Now, I haven't looked today, but I will tell you this. The wristlet was the same price on Amazon and on the Coach website, but the Tabby 20 size was cheaper on Coach. So keep that in mind if you're interested in the anthracite quilted tabby. But y'all, I put both in my cart, because at this time I didn't realize that Coach also had the Tabby 20 for a cheaper price. So I've got both in my cart, and I'm like trying to talk myself, out of it, telling myself, you have the Dreamer in the anthracite, and it's in a size 20. If you're going for the color, you already have it. And I was right, So I took them out of my cart, and I came across this beautiful little piece that I'm about to show you now. I'm hoping that it's a perfect match for this bag, but it's definitely a better alternative for me. I did not need the Tabby 20. And I can't say that I needed the piece that I'm about to show you either, but I needed it more than I needed the tabby. So this is what I got. You can probably tell what it is. It's just a card holder. I got it from Amazon, and again, it looks to be in the original wrapping packaging. Oh, that's dirty. Let me clean my hands. Although they're both the anthracite color, this bag came along earlier, and to be honest with you, I never saw this bag in stores. I got this from Poshmark, so I really don't know how old this is, like as in when Coach originally released it. So I'm hoping that the two anthracites are the same. Here it is, this beautiful Coach card case in the anthracite, and it's in the quilted pattern. It's beautiful. It is very beautiful. It has the matching hardware. Now let's see how good of a match this is. I think it's a pretty good match. I can see some differences. Card case does look a little bit darker, while the handbag, I don't know, it looks like it has more gold in it than the card case. I don't know. But I mean, I think it's a perfect match, for what it is, even though it's not the exact same color. They're the same texture, and they're both beautiful pieces. I also think the hardware on the card case is a little more matte, whereas the hardware on the bag is really shiny. You can see how shiny that is. And then this is just, looks a bit more matte, but it's beautiful though. Let's swap out of this and into the card case. So let's see if 7 cards will fit in here. How the inside looks, it's a leather interior with that beautiful gray color. No issue getting all of my cards in there. And it's not super fat, it's still very slim. It should take up about as much space as the Dress Up Your Purse card case took up. So pretty, I love it. I love it, I love it. I'm so proud of myself. I said no to the bag and yes to the card case. That is better, right? I think that is all that I had to share with you. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to take a look at She Said Yes for Valentine's Day gifts for yourself or for others. Thanks for watching again. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.